guys, it's Ugly Girl. Welcome to today's video. Happy 4th of July to everyone. Today I am waiting for my ride. I am going to get some fireworks. I'm going to Wally World. They have a little booth outside of Walmart where they have fireworks and stuff. So yeah, my ride is coming. I'm going out to get the fireworks to go to find them and stuff. I just got ready. I'm looking good and can't wait. So I'm waiting for my ride to get here. So yes, happy 4th of July to everyone. I'm going to get some fireworks tonight, shoot them off and scare myself. Scare myself so bad I could pee on myself and stuff. So I'm waiting for my ride to pick me up. My mom doesn't know I'm skipping out, but I gotta go. And I had my piggy bank. I had to get my piggy bank ready. See, my piggy bank. This is what's going to pay for the fireworks. Hopefully the fireworks is not too much money and stuff. So, yes, let's go on a journey with me. Go and find some fireworks. Hopefully Wally World will have some good ones. And the one that's outside, hopefully they're not too much. Because I'm too poor right now. YouTube, stop paying me. I need some money. And thank you for all the subscribers. I am so proud of you subscribing to me. I am up to 89. I'm almost up to 90. Come on, guys. If you want to see me do more crazy videos, I need more subscribers. Thank you so much. You all are the best. If I can remember y'all's names, I would go down the line. But one day I will do a surprise where I do a happy thing where people does when they hit a lot of subscribers, you know, they celebrate and stuff. So that will be coming up soon. So yes, I gotta wait for my ride. And hopefully you all are having a good 4th of July, and be careful with the fireworks because of the corona. You gotta be careful, and not that many places doing fireworks tonight because of the corona, because can't be around people and stuff. So yes, guys, let's go to Wally World. Let's get it going. I just gotta wait for my ride, and then I'll be good. Okay, guys, see you in a bit. Bye. Hey guys, before I go to Wally World, I gotta make sure I look good and don't look like a hot mess. So I gotta brush my hair. Okay, that should do it. And now, to shave my little chin. Ow! Sounds to be a girl. I gotta brush my teeth. Mama's getting hair in my mouth. And now I gotta put some more lipstick on. I'm running out of black lipstick. Okay. I am paired and I'm ready for Walmart. Well, aka Wally World. Let's go. I got my little mask so people can't recognize me because I'm YouTube famous, you know, with all the subscribers. I don't want no fans, you know, get my pictures and stuff and selling it on those magazines and stuff. So I'm gonna have to hide myself, and you know, so I gotta wait for my ride. I'm waiting like a needle in a haystack, but maybe my ride will get here soon. So I'll see you in a minute. Guys, I said I was waiting for my ride. I didn't say I was waiting on it. I am hitchhiking to Wally World. Yes, hopefully I don't get murdered and stuff. But I gotta start somehow. Hopefully someone picks me up. I told my mom I was getting a ride with my friends, but no, they didn't come. So now I gotta wait for a car to come by to take me to Wally World so I can get fireworks. So, wish me luck, guys. Still haven't got no ride. I haven't having any luck yet. Like Angry Grandma says, the sweat is sticking to the crack of my ass. It's hot out here, and I'm about to go inside of the house, cool down, because my ride is still not here. I've been flagging people down for months, and no one's still. What the frick is going on? Because of Corona, people are not picking up nobody no more. Usually back in the day, people can hitchhike and get people to pick them up. Oh, here comes someone now. Think we can get down. Hey! Hey, you! Yeah, you! Yeah, you! Hey, you! Those people was rude as I looked so creepy. They didn't want me to get in the car because I looked like I would have the coronavirus. They said I looked like I would smell like a pit of cheese. People are so mean. I'm still waiting on a ride. This 4th of July sucks over. I woke up late, got ready. Now I'm still waiting. I know it's not Pride Month no more, but, you know, I am out of the house finally. Been quarantined and stuff. I went to the beach to let y'all know, but I didn't get a chance to do a video because there was so much going on, so I didn't get a chance. Yes, I went to the Tybee Island. Yes, it was fun. I sweated my tops off, got into the water, drank some salt water too much, and sweated and sweated and sweated and sweated and sweated. I hear something. I hear something. Here comes a car. Here comes a car. I think I'll get a ride. They're stopping. Maybe I can catch a ride with them. Can I catch a ride with y'all? Okay, good. I managed to get a ride, so hopefully my mother won't know about it. So I'm going to Wally World and get some fireworks. So wish me luck. Hello you guys, I'm at Wally World finally. I'm gonna go find some fireworks. I'm gonna hide my date. I got my mask so no one won't recognize me. So I don't get crowded or something. So let me put my mask on. This might take a while. Okay, I got my mask on. Let's go to Wally World. I gotta pour the change in to get some money. That one place was closed, so that's what I have to go into Wally World to hopefully. Oh, my mask keeps falling. To get some fireworks. So wish me luck. It's really crowded today at Walmart. I was so lucky to find a ride. Okay, crossing the road. There we go. Sweating like crazy. It's so hot today. Hope I can find some fireworks. I may not can. I got me some change though for some money. Here I go. Okay, I finally got into Walmart. First, I'm gonna look for some fireworks. Hopefully they have some. I think last time I saw it, there was some here. Fireworks. Where can I find some? I don't know. Excuse me, do y'all still have fireworks here?
Oh yeah? They're outside? No, they're outside. Oh.
Where?
Really? They're outside.
Dang it. Alright. Okay. So they don't gotta have fireworks. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I'm gonna have to try Dollar Tree or Dollar General. So wish me luck. I'm not having any good luck right now. So now I have to leave Walmart because I don't have. Oh, they got some stuff I can get. The 4th of July is not going so good, so now I gotta go train my change. Wait, I see some stuff out here. I doubt it they're gonna have it. Oh, they only got pop rocks though. Alright, I gotta go the other way to get to the change thing. That is crazy. This is the only way I can go out because of the corona. I'm not having any luck right now, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to shoot off any fireworks. This is so stressful. I'll get me some chain. Okay, I found it. Now it's time to get me some money. This is what I'm talking about. Get some cash. I'm gonna do this real fast and I'll be right back. So far it's doing good. I got up to $31.82, so that's good. Now I gotta go cash it in. There it goes. These things usually give you a little deeper and stuff. No.
Wait, keep finished.
Okay, thanks, cool. See? They only give me this much. Now I gotta go cash it in. Hey! Here you go. So Plan B, I'm gonna have to go to the Dollar Tree. They have another one out there. They had a TNT with fireworks and stuff. And yeah, so now I'm gonna have to go to the Dollar Tree since Wally World didn't have it. It was sold out, so now I gotta go with Plan B. Okay, now I gotta find my ride and try to find some fireworks. If not, I'm just gonna be screwed out of luck. I think they parked on number 1. Oh, I see them. Hopefully they can take me to Dollar Tree. Hopefully. Wish me luck. Back in the car, I gotta put some more black lipstick on because it's so hot and that mask is burning me up. So I gotta put some more on. Find some fireworks, hopefully. If not, I'm just screwed out of luck. I should have did it earlier, but I wasn't thinking. So wish me luck, you guys. Oh, bucket. I am just gonna go to Taco Bell and just call it a day. And find someone that has fireworks. If not, I'm just gonna have to firework myself. Well, wish me luck, guys. Well, time to fix some Taco Bell. Sorry, driver. I am trying my best, you know. People getting fireworks like it's money. People cray.
Cheese burrito box, but without the meat.
So no meat on that box?
Yeah.
Yes.
You want the meat on the taco?
No.
And you can give me that drink.
What to drink?
That pineapple drink.
I'm sorry?
Could I get one of the pineapple drinks?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. There's a new thing at Taco Bell. It's like a grilled cheese.
Any taco sauce for you today?
Hot and mild.
Alright, just in the correct.
Yes.
You said yes?
Yeah.
Alright, $28.60.
The weekend, Dev, I got this thing. It's like a pineapple drink. I've seen it in some YouTubers' videos. Oh, it looks so good. So hopefully it tastes good. I'm not that fan of stuff like that, pineapple, but maybe I'll like it. Who knows? Hey, I got it. Let's see what it tastes like. Got some cream in it. Tastes like a creamy orange. That's some good stuff. Y'all need to go to Taco Bell and try it. Okay, that's left Taco Bell, and now I'm going to Dollar Tree to see if they have any fireworks. I'm not having any work. No one's selling any more fireworks. I should have got it earlier, but I wasn't thinking maybe for this and stuff, you know. I've been kind of out of it and stuff. And so maybe Dollar Tree will have some. They might have some little ones and stuff or something I can just find. If not, can just be lucky if someone will shoot some fireworks off tonight. So maybe something like that will happen. So maybe wish me luck. Okay, now I'm at Dollar Tree, and hopefully they will have something. If not, I'm gonna go cray. Here I go. Dollar Tree, here I go. My 4th of July is not doing so well. Can't find no fireworks or anything. Yes, we have a Dollar Tree here. Hopefully I can film in here and don't get kicked out. Looks like they got some stuff. They got school starting back early. Got some stuff. Hello. I got this stuff. I got glow sticks. See, they got any stuff up here. They got some stuff, but not a lot. I am not having no luck. The only place I can go is next door and see if they have fireworks. I'm gonna ask these people. Maybe I'll look a little bit more. I only see these things. They'll have little lights and stuff. They got these little heading. This is gonna get crazy. Excuse me.
Yes.
Do you know where I can find some fireworks stuff at?
Offhand, I don't, unless maybe Dollar General.
Oh.
You know?
Yeah. You think next door will have any fireworks?
You know what? Why don't you try? I mean,
Okay.
it's not gonna. I mean, sometimes I think they did have some. So, I mean, it's worth a try.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, you're most welcome.
Have a good day and happy
Oh.
4th of July.
You too, and you be safe.
I will. Thank you. Now I'm gonna try next door. See if they have any. I'm gonna go crazy. I really don't like the store, so maybe they will have some fireworks. No, I'm just gonna go to Dollar General. I'm gonna have to vote because my driver absolutely didn't. They're getting tired of taking me, so I don't know what to do. I can display look into Dollar General. The hunt is on for fireworks. Hey, I'm gonna walk to Dollar General fast and see if they have anything. You can wait right here. Okay, I'll be right back. Here I go to Dollar General. Now I'm in Dollar General. See if I got any fireworks stuff. This is my last chance. I'm not having any luck. Gonna have to go ask the guy if he have any fireworks. If not, I'm giving up. Not having any luck. Oh, be right back. No fireworks stuff at Dollar General. I just got me an Amazon card because now I like to buy stuff. I'm a shopaholic. Now I gotta go back to the crew, get back in, and see what else I can do. Not having any shit luck. I mean, excuse my language. Well, you guys, I'll see you another round. I'm gonna about to get killed because I'm walking and stuff. It's like a jungle gym out here. Crossing around. Okay, wish me luck, y'all. I'm not having any good ones yet. Hopefully something happens good. Hopefully someone will shoot some fireworks, because you know, ugly girl is not gonna enjoy her time if don't. But if it's not, oh well. You guys see a daily vlog with me though. So I'll be back soon. Back. Didn't have any good luck with Dollar Tree, Walmart, or Dollar General. Just got me an Amazon card because I wanted to buy some stuff. But I did a little daily vlog, so hopefully y'all like that. Went to Wally World. Didn't have any luck to find any fireworks, but I found these things right here. You remember I had these last year's? I think. Yeah, for 4th of July, and I have one for this year. Look at this. I heard some fireworks going off. But, yes, I'm at my boy's house. I got my driver to drop me off. So, yeah. I didn't have any luck finding any fireworks. I waited too late to get some fireworks. I didn't know fireworks would sell out this fast. There is a place in Atlanta, but I'm not driving all that way to get fireworks, or Athens or something, or somewhere. It is hot today, so I've been sweating. I had to put some more lipstick on because it was sweating like crazy. But I am planning on doing a mukbang video maybe tomorrow, so you'll probably get 2 videos, this one and the one for tomorrow. Who knows if we'll do it or not. But you guys, I hope you have a great 4th of July. Sorry about the video. Hopefully you don't hate it. Give it a like or something. And thank you for all subscribed to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm almost up to 90. Keep on popping it up there. And I love you all. I know I don't really know that many names. Oh, I heard something. Someone's having a pool party and didn't invite me. I heard some fireworks. But I hear some later tonight. Maybe I can capture some shooting up and put it in the video. So hopefully. But everyone out there have a good and wonderful 4th of July. And be safe. And love you guys. Subscribe to my channel. I'm always loving new people. Come on. I love the comments. Some comments is like, eh. Some comments are, woo. But I love you guys. Peace out. Happy 4th of July. Bye guys. See you in the next video.